Hello and welcome to the channel with no catchphrase. Now, I've been out of action for about a week, so I haven't done much. Feeling a little bit pants. I had like fever and, all kinds of stuff.
Hasn't he just got a cold?
For God's sake, woman, he's a man. He's got a man cold.
So I thought I'd take the excuse that I'm feeling a bit better and to clear my head to take you lovely people along to a kind of localish shop I go to called Sportsbikeshop in Milton Keynes, which is about half an hour from me. And it's a great shop. I bought loads of stuff from there. They got pretty much everything you could imagine in the world, and if they haven't got it there, you can order it and have it delivered either to your home or to the store pretty quick. So taking the nice route through Buckingham, so come along for the ride, and maybe on the way I'll tell you what I've been up to, and some especially tales of a rather dangerous adventure that befell me as of late, but we'll see. The last bike I rode a few days ago, before I started feeling like shite, was Bumbleblade 900cc 1997 extreme sports bike of the age. Jumped back on this, which is 221, close to 180 brake horsepower. Top of the range, spec brakes and suspension, Olins and Brembos. It's just incredible how easy riding this is. Mate, like stupid easy and comfortable. It feels like a 125. I mean, the Fireblade, it's a beast, and yet it's not, if you get what I mean. So I suppose it's far more agricultural compared to this refined sports naked, which of course sitting upright, nice and comfortable, reactive, easy to throw around. It's so light, so nimble. Top speed wise, the Fireblade's faster, but of course this gets there a lot quicker. So yeah, I always have to to bear that in mind when I jump from one to the other. Mainly when I jump from this to that on this I can brake, I can stop so quick with these amazing stylemans. The Fireblade takes planning permission, because when I jump back on this, it's just like, what? This feels like a toy, like a scooter, but it's deceptive because this thing is a beast. Look at that pub. It's beautiful, isn't it? Another reason I'm on this today, apart from the fact that I wanted to be on this, is that Bumbleblade is bumble broken. There's a video going to be made soon when I try to fix the latest and greatest in Bumbleblade disasters. Here we are in Winslow. It's lovely. Must have looked amazing about 100 years ago, but look at those buildings, those houses. Good, aren't they? Nice roads around here. Always got to take it easy because you can't see what's around the other side. Stick on cruise control and just chill up. Apparently we've got a load of traffic coming up now. Interesting fact, Milton Keynes is near Bletchley. Bletchley is where the famous code breakers were. Bletchley Park, the Enigma, with us. Clever Brits, probably saved the war. Let me think of some of the things I bought at Sportsbikeshop. My one-piece racing leathers, crash helmet for my son, gloves, actually these, loads of stuff online, and recently ordered some bar ends for Bumbleblade, and crappy postman didn't deliver it. Said he did. No proof of delivery. And they replaced them. You know, good on them. They could have said, well, you know, the postman said they've been delivered, so blah blah blah. But no, sent me a new set. No hassle whatsoever. Good customer service. But anyway, here we are. You can see it's over there on the right. And I'm going to show you something quite funky. Security wise. That's my disc lock. It's called the road lock. And it's funky. So it's carrying a large lock. It's all on there. You take off that. Put in that. Then what happens is when I move the bike now, it's going to lock into one of the... There you go. Now the good thing is, you can't roll it, you can't push it. The pin's gone into these holes here, so it can't be moved, can't be rolled. How's that? Okay. Didn't buy anything today. Like I said, it was just to get out of the house, clear one's head, before carrying on with the grind. Well, one thing I've got coming up on with this is its first MOT in a couple of weeks, because it is just going to hit its third year. So yes, unfortunately, another one to add to the yearly MOT list. When it comes to the insurance, I have just swapped over from 3 separate policies for my 3 bikes in the UK, to a multi-bike policy with Bennett. It worked out cheaper than 3 policies, and only 1 insurance. Woo! Oh. Damn, this is quick. It's also in for its its 4th service, considering of course you do a quick service at the beginning at 600 miles. I'm at 10,000 miles on this, so it's not the valve one, which is the really, really expensive one. Like if you do it with Triumph, I think it's like 800 quid or something ridiculous. But considering I do it with Triumph, it's still not going to be cheap. Also, my 3rd year's warranty runs out. Isn't it when everything breaks? Well, thanks for coming along anyway, for this little bimble. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now. 'Cause I've been living life